Here we are at the Iberostar Bavaro in the Dominican Republic. Down there is the way you come in, and you come around here and you are dropped off here at the main lobby bar. When you stop at this hotel, you can use the other two hotels, but not the Grand, because the Grand is adults only and it's more superior. So I'm going to take you in here. When you first arrive, it's Christmas at the moment, so they've decorated it with Christmas decorations. When you first arrive, this is what you will see. And you're taken straight up to the reception there where you check in. That's where you book reservations for all the restaurants. So you come in the morning, it's open. Iberostar. And there we are. There's the map of the complex. Nice comfy seats, as you can see. Reception. Check-in. Okay, and then I'm going to take you down here now. And you're greeted by a snail. To the left here, we have the restaurants, or the buffet I should say. It's closed now for breakfast, but as you see there's still people in there. There we go. Carry on up there, or through there, and then over the little bridge, and it's where you get your food. Okay. Here is the Iberostar program that tells you what's going on. So tonight we have, you can make that out, it's boogie nights. And then there's chill out, circus show, which is fantastic, ideal couple, boogie nights, whatever that says. Okay. This is what you're greeted with when you first arrive. Straight down there, you have a little coffee shop. Well, not a shop, but a coffee area. You can get hot chocolates. And then over there are some shops. This is where they have the entertainment on a night, and also your reps meetings over there, which is going on at the moment. So there's the theatre over there. I'll make it out. Anyway, I'm going to take you down here. Over the little bridge. You can't see them from here, but over there, down that little island, you get flamingos. nice waterfall, or fountain I should say. And as you heard in the background, that lovely bird sound. Many different varieties of plants here, and this is a little garden of orchids, all the different varieties here. And over there, in there, there's some books which you can choose to read. Just glance now to the left, and that will take you off down to the other hotels down there. But these are some of the buildings you will stay on. For example, that's those ones. And again, it's another resort map. And you carry on down there, and through there, as you can probably just make out, is the beginning of the Grand. Maybe you can see that over there. You can see that also from the beach when you walk on to the right along there. You can see inside the Grand, which is lovely. It's got a big yacht or boat in there in the centre. So this takes you down now to the beach and the pool area. And here you can book some trips.
Hola.
Hola! Siona Island, Mega Trucks, San Pedro de Macorís, can't even say that, and Santo Domingo City Tours. We're going to Siona Island and we're going on the Mega Truck, so that will be good. That's where you book them. Then I'm going to carry on down here as quickly as I can, without boring you too much. To the pool area. We're stopping at room 1157, which is absolutely brilliant. It's halfway between here and the restaurant, so we're going down there, and you bear to the right. We are basically opposite the Grand. Well, we are opposite the Grand, I should say. I have been lost a few times in the evening. When I've walked round, I lose my sense of direction, but just keep going around in circles. Okay, this is the pool area, and it's a great big pool here. To the left is the restaurant, so you can have breakfast in there, which opens at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then it has lunch as well. There we go, it's part of the pool down there. And you have a swim up bar as well, which is through there. You can just make it out where those people are walking. There's a swim up bar. The animation team come round to get you to join in the games, which is great fun. Water volleyball, dance lessons, Olympics, water aerobics, which is fun. I've been joining in that every day, so I hope to lose a bit of weight. Table tennis. This here is where you pick up your towels. 8 o'clock in the morning till 6, so you come down here with your pool card get your towel, and then at the end of any time you just change your towels. End of the holiday, you give them back the towel and you pick up your pool card. Here's a children's area with a bucket up there. Going to tip, sounds like it is. I'm not sure, but that's my husband there. Still waiting for this to tip now. Dolphin. There we go. I'll probably miss it now. Here is the toilet. And over there in the distance, there's a board there. You can just see behind those people. It tells you what's on for the day. And just behind that, they have a beach party where they play and you can dance. As you can see over there now, there's an activity going on. There's some ladies doing some exercises. So, there we go. And that's a beautiful pool. And over there, that's my daughter, Ellie, about to get in. She's made some friends from Canada. Which is nice because you meet all sorts of different people from different nationalities here. Okay, now I'm going to take you to the last little tiny bit now, and this is going to take us to the beach. So everything is so close together. The showers, a few massages there. I think you have to pay for those. I'm not sure how much they are, but everything else is basically all inclusive because we're an inclusive resort. And then we're going to take you onto the beach. This is where, as you can see, they play volleyball over there. And today, as you can see, it's a yellow flag, so it's safe to go into the sea. There have been red flags while we've been here, but people still go in. It's just that the fact it's a bit more choppy. There we go. It's a great holiday destination. I've stopped at the Grand Palladium, which is round the bend there, and we can actually see it. We took a walk the other day. And they're both nice resorts, different. But yeah, they're both great resorts, so you wouldn't be disappointed in either of these two. As you can see in the distance there, there's some little shops, some souvenir shops. And you can walk around there, but the water does literally come right up to the steps, so when you're walking down there, you have to walk through the water, through the sea. So it's great. An experience. Every day, as you can see, there's a build-up of seaweed. But as you can see over there, there's a tractor, and they do clear it up every day. So it's a never-ending task, but it's fine. It's okay. Doesn't make any difference. As you can see, it's all coming to the sea. But if you look out sometimes, I had some binoculars and look out, you can actually see loads of it coming in the distance. There we go, and that takes you up past all the other part of the Iberostar, and then it goes on to the Rio complex, which is massive, and then it carries on down to some more hotels. Can't remember what they are, but it is nice to see, believe me. It looks a bit bad at the moment with all that seaweed in, but that's nothing. It's beautiful. So don't worry about